discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
On a VCAK wired at a half. Right around a 28, 29.
These are the Avatar, what are they? The STU?
STU.
Oh, wow. It looks like 412s in here, but it's only 2.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Did you ever figure out your tuning spec on it?
Yeah, the front's right around a 52.
Okay.
Rear's 26, 28, right in there.
Okay. And do you have, what amp is on it now?
It's a VCAK wired to a half.
Okay.
45 C-Mac.
Yes, sir.
And a 410 J's off.
Okay. You have the amp right behind here in your blow-through area?
Yeah,
all right.
On top of the box. Back.
Sweet. Yeah, I'd like to hear it. This looks good. Did you do any SPL tests on it?
Yeah, I did ISPL yesterday. Subsonic suicide. Got a 51.7.
Oh, good.
So,
Alright, nice.
yeah, it's not too bad.
Nice. Is there a way I can see the back? Yeah. See how the amp rack and all is? And on the hood? Nice. That's pretty cool. You can set this down. You got all your workstation as well.
That's what I was going for on that one.
That's a good idea. Have you ever had any thought of maybe extending the box back and adding 2 more?
I'm gonna drop that 418. So.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Nice.
Yeah, I was waiting for this show to be over, then I was gonna rip it all out and start the new one.
Oh, okay.
Gotta go right to this back wall all the way up.
Oh, yeah. That is a big jump from last time I heard it. I remember hearing it at Slamfest last year. That was a really impressive jump.